Hello guys and welcome back to yet another video. We have 2,500 in the balance. As you guys know, we're running a 1k weekly race. Click deposit, write code nema, click apply however long you want it active, and then you are able to win some prizes. You guys know the drill. Let's go to some battles. We're gonna start off with some 5%ers, I think. And we are going to do 5% gems, 5% rifle, 5% float, and then BCX and decade. This is a rock solid 2v2. Guaranteed profit, guys. There is absolutely no way we will lose this. Fuck. They hit on the first case, that's fine. It was really cheap. Nothing on the rifle either. It's fine. Float is gonna hit for us. Oh fuck, it didn't. What about the BCX one? No? I was a 10%er. Maybe the decade will save us. No one hit on that one either. Which means the tickets are just stacking and stacking, bro. This is definitely gonna hit something wild for us. Let's aim for like a 800 coin item maybe. What the fuck, man? Okay, this was not a good case anyway, so. Rifle didn't hit us anything. Come on, float didn't hit anything either. Ah shit, they hit on the BCX case. That's probably a decent hit as well. Maybe that's flip knife or something. No, Huntsman is how much? Oh, 200 only. We can easily come back if we hit a golden coin here, which we didn't. Which means we are gonna redo it. Writing a little bit in the chat as well, seeing if there is any people that will join our battles later on. If we win, we might run a little bit more expensive battles, so would be sick if someone wanted to join us on that one. Come on. What about the float? Come on, this is important, guys. If they would have hit here, I would probably have called it GG's. See here, they hit on the BCX once more. That's not good. They would probably hit either the Huntsman or the flip knife. What? I thought the other Huntsman, but it's fine. 209, sure. Decade CS, come on. Nah, didn't hit for us either, man. We are gonna run one more battle. And if this doesn't pay, we're definitely gonna change it up. We gotta win a little bit to run some more expensive battles, you know, so. Stop. Fuck. That was baiting us big time. Come on, float hit for us. Oh, close, bro. Double bait. The fuck is this? Oh, that's a shit item as well. Nice! We hit on the decade case. Come on. Bayonet, Doppler. This is cheap. This is really cheap. 280. It's fine. It gave us the hit, so we're gonna keep opening it. This is a 200 coin case, so it shouldn't be too hard to win something, but again, it's not like, I don't know. It's low percentage cases as well, so it's like 3 5%ers and then 2 10%ers. As of now, I don't think we've hit anything on the 5%ers. Other than the fucking C sets or whatever they hit. Come on. Nothing. We didn't even win that, fucking hell. Okay, this will be our last battle if we lose this as well. Okay, they hit on the 5% gems, which I assume would pay around 300. Maybe 100, maybe 200. I don't know. Oh shit, they hit a good item. 744. From a 14, stop, from a 14 coin, no, 13 coin case, that's insane, man. Stop, we gotta check those odds afterwards. B6, no, decade, easy pay for us. If we hit the decade, we might be able to come back. And we didn't. Let's do a 3-way. Is that too risky, maybe? Nah, it's fine. 10%er for us here, please. Just any hit is good, honestly. Nothing. 16, what the fuck? Nice! Wait on the BCX. Good start. Very good start of the battle. Huntsman fade, maybe? Normal Huntsman. It's fine. Huntsman Knight, we take it. Come on. We kinda need another hit, but if no one else hit anything, doesn't bother me too much to leave with a 160 item, you know. No hit on the float. Honestly, I think we're gonna run. Oh, fuck. Never mind. I didn't have anything to say, guys. Shit. Fuck, shit, fuck, shit, fuck. Let's try it one more time. Aurora case. 10% or no? No, nothing. High impact. Nothing either. What the actual fuck, bro? We gotta get some polls now, don't we? This has proven to be a shit case. If you hit something, you pretty much get poop items. I mean, it's probably a decent case, but I've never hit anything. I think I haven't hit anything that is like greater than 300 points. Fuck, bro. Rainbot 1 is stealing this win. It depends though. We could still come back this. Like a 1 hit here and we might be back. No, okay. We will end it all with a 3-way. So if this doesn't pay, we take it as a sign and we just fucking leave the site. Don't leave it for good, but leave it for today. No, decade, I mean. Starting off with decade CS cases. No one hit on those. What about the framed? Come on. Fuck. The fucking Brainbot 5 hit on that one. Let's just be a Bowie or something. Ah, that's expensive. 600. Not too expensive, but we can come back here. Look, watch. Ah, shit, bro. 1% AOP case. Come on. Well, fuck. That did not go as planned. 7 on green. 20 on red. 20 on red? I think I meant to do less, but we won anyway, so it's fine. 10 on green. Watch this. Watch this. Okay. Never mind. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.